Right, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Right. Now log into the MyOp application. Hello, good afternoon, my online student.
Good afternoon,
Good
sir.
afternoon. Yes, good afternoon. Right. Is it okay? Right. Click on the MyOp application, the student login. Okay. In the already activated in the user ID. Now, given in your username and password, the already activated in your CMA dash S0 to your username. Sorry, yes, user ID and given by your password. User ID and the password. And the file access level, select on single use access, not by the multi-use access, in the single use access. Okay. Click on this command. Now we are getting opened by the MyOB, the welcome window. In the MyOB welcome window, click on here open button. Open. Click on here. There are two companies available. Select on here the first one. I don't know, in your one, the only one company. Select this company by SAP Cricket Private Limited. Look at the file name. The SAP Cricket Private Limited. The file format by PRM type. Click open. Click on open. Then given by the password again. Now activated by the single use access. Click on OK. In the license, the MyOB Premium Package license, you click on here, enter later, click OK. Now you are getting opened by the SAP Cricket Club Private Limited. SAP Cricket Club Private Limited. Is it okay by the online student? Any issues?
No, sir.
Others?
No, sir.
Right, thank you.
No, sir.
Thanks. In a physical student, have you opened by this particular company? Not open. What? Slow. Slow in the sense the internet issue, no? Here having additional router. Try to access the your internet by using this the additional equipment. Online student, you have to be wait for a while, one moment. Because of that, the physical students are logging by the same internet connection. They're having actually the internet issues. Please wait for a while. Okay. How about others? Still you are trying to log in the company? Then open company. select your company, click open. Then again you will your password and select by the single use access. In the single use access and click OK. Right. Now we've taken on the tutorial number 2. Designing of general ledger chart of account structure. Right. Now, my dear friends, listen. Now, if you want to create by your general ledger, you have to go with the account section. Note down the path. Create chart of account or general ledger. You have to click on accounts. Where do you write down the path? Accounts. Arrow. Account list. Account list. Carefully you handle with the account list. Because of in the account list having the 4 or 5 type of link accounts. The first link account, general check accounts are there, the integrated ledger accounts, and undeposited fund account, intermediate account, electronic clearing account, and the last one, trade data ledger accounts are there. Those are the integrated or link account. In the asterisk mark, it's indicated by the link account. The link means this account integrated with any other the general ledger accounts. So automatically transaction have to be passed. Right. Now you turn to your tutorial by page number 3. Page number 3. Okay. In the page number 3, it's given in your asset, in your balance sheet. In financial position statement. In the financial position statement, the deals with the assets, liability accounts, and equity accounts. These are the 3 types of the item having your financial position statement. Now we are trying to create the first our assets. Turn to the page number 3. Look at what are the assets available in our company, in existingly. Those are the under the assets, the few assets are there. And under the withholding credits, few accounts are there. Right. Now you compare with these ledger accounts with the chart of given by the tutorial. Look at the first one under the asset. 1000 in the heading, actually the automatically created by the system 1040 by an asset. Under the assets, First, we have to develop by the non-current assets. In the non-current assets, 1000. Click on here, new function. New function. Given on here, account classification by here in the click on down arrow. The 7 or 8 classification are there. Automatically selected by the asset type given by the number 1000. 1000. Select on here. This is our header account. Header account. And also you click on here when reporting the generate the subtotal of this section. Click on subtotal on this section. Click on OK. Now you look at here, the new accounts are there. First I add the new account under the 140 by 1000. Now you get edited by this new account. Click again. Click on edit. Two options. Now I teach you. Open new option and edit option. In the new account, you have to be type in here non-current assets. Non-current assets. Assets given in the capital letter A, assets. Non-current assets. Click on here non-current assets. This is not a post in account. Again, click on edit. Look at here the non-postable account. The transaction you can post it on this account. Only this account getting under the subtotal. We call header account. Header account. Please understand the online models are there. Just click OK. Click OK. Because of that, all of you are a backward student. Yes. You have to bring your tutorial. Click OK. I think this is interactive. From open, select this company, open. Give your password, single user. That's your tutorial. Right? Try to understand. I am managing the physical as well as the online student. I have to be give the fair time allocation for the both parties. Right. Again. First, close this function. Okay, I'll come from beginning. In the account section, look at my screen. In the account section, account list is there. Click on account list. Account list. Under the account list, here the separate function called new function. Click on new function. There are three types of the ledger account you have to be created. The first one we call header account. Only the title, label, like our property, plant and equipment, current asset like this. If you select on this header account, the automatically activate the separate function called the report a total amount to this item or not. If you are willing to insert this item, that subtotal to this ledger account, actually not ledger account, header account, then automatically calculated by the total. Unless otherwise, only a title. What is my point? Getting on the subtotal. From here, the second option we call the detail account. The detail account postable. You can debit and credit this amount to this postable account. In the postable account, look at here, the separate the function activated by active account or inactive account. Okay, the active account means the already you have to be run with the transaction this particular account. Inactive means temporarily you suspend out of this account. We call inactive account. If you want to inactive some of the account, click on here inactive. Right? Inactive. First of all, we have to develop an account. In the third section called the postable account but check account. Like cash and cash equivalent account. What I did here, select the one account classification by asset given by the number 1000, select on the header account and getting on the subtotal, then automatically I was created in my header account by non-current asset. Okay, again, we'll see. Under the 1000 account, one category asset 1000 non-current assets. Now I develop a new account 1000 to 1200. But before that, you check on here 1200 account is there. Got this my point? If I want to create, look at the tutorial. Before 2 weeks ago, I was uploaded this tutorial to the LMS. 3 pages, all of you are in your office or somewhere you have to be taken on the tutorial. Right. When I try to create the land and improvements, 1200, it's given by me. By purposefully given the same number. Because of that, in the system also having a 1200 account. What you can't delete. Because of that, this is the link account. You can't delete. Then what I'm trying to do here, go to the here edit function. Instead of 1200, I select 1900. In the last section of my asset. Then click OK. Now 1,900 is there. Got this point? Modified by the my existing account number. Okay, do it that. Modified by the my existing account number. Because of that, I have to be created by a new account. Okay. Then my payroll check accounts goes to the last sections of my assets. Actually, not total asset, under the main category of assets. Now, you can create it by your land and improvements account. Click on new accounts. This is also my header account. Header account 1,200. Tab button. Now, in this moment, given on the land and improvement, land and improvement. Student, each and every students have to be developed by each and every account. Because you look at your LMS, even including the online student, after week number 7, listen very carefully. After the week number 7, we will evaluate your databases and given by the 30 marks question, 30 marks for your continuous assessment. Check on your databases. Therefore, each and every students have to be developed in your databases. Then click OK. Now look at here. 1,200 accounts have developed. Land and improvement.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Can you repeat that step again, if you don't mind?
Which account in the land and improvements account?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, fine. You have to go to the new function here. Look at my mouse point. In the new function, now I use the edit function here. In the new function, select on header account. Header account.
Okay.
Given in the here new number by 1,200 according to the tutorial second account. Then given here land and improvements. And click on here when reporting generate the subtotal. Because of this is the header account. Header account.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Okay. Click OK. Then create on land and improvement. Look at here header. Look at here header account. You can't post amount to this header account. Now you have a 3 header account. Non-current assets, sorry, asset, non-current assets, and the land and improvements. Normally by the system, header accounts are getting on the highlighted. Right, next one. Under the 1, 1,210. Click on new account. This is what a header account. This is the detail account. Given on here 1,210. Account name land and improvement at cost. At cost. Land and improvements at cost.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
Once you input the numbers like account number, then what's the next step? Because for my one, it's the
Yes. Okay. After entering by your account number, click on tab button. Click on tab. Then automatically activated by the account name. Okay. You got this point? After
No,
entering, after entering by your account number, click on tab button in your the keyboard. Okay, I'll show in the next account. Then click on OK. Now look at here, third category accounts created. Look at my dear student. This is the first category account. This is the second category account. This is the third category account. Next one. Okay, you look at this account. 1,220 accumulated amount, not accumulated depreciation, like a what do you call that? Under this 1,210, click on new 1,220. Okay, student, you look at here. Now click on the tab button, tab. Then activated by the my account name. Given on your account name, accumulated amount, land and improvement. Detail account. Look at here. If you have some related tax code, you have to be selected on the tax code down here. Click OK. In 1,220 in my land and improvement accumulated amount. Third level accounts. Okay, third level accounts. Next. Again, new build-in. This is my header account. Build-in. Account number 1,300. Click on here tab button. Build-in. What is the next step? What is the next step? We have to be select on here the subtotal section. Header account, subtotal section. Click on OK. Now my built-in accounts have created. my building account, header account. Okay. Under the building 1,200, 1,000, sorry, 1,300, no, 1,300, a building at cost. Go to the new function, detail account, 1,310. Click on tab button, new account by building at cost. Cost is a postable account. Postable account. Okay. Done. It's a second level account. Sorry, third level account. Building cost, building second level account. The building cost third level account. Next, click on new function. Detail account 1,320. Accumulated depreciation on building. Accumulated depreciation on building. Click on OK. Right, complete the 4 accounts, including the 2 or 3 heading account. Next, office, furniture and equipment. New header account. Given on the account number 1,500. Office furniture and equipment. Given on here subtotal, the reporting account, header account with the subtotal. Click OK. $1,510 office furniture and equipment at cost. New asset value, cost mean asset value. office furniture and equipment cost. Click on OK. When we look at the screen, look at on my screen. Now, office equipment accumulated depreciation 1,520. Carefully you design the numbers. Otherwise, you have to be amended. No, you have to be edited. 1,520. Accumulated depreciation on office equipment, office furniture and equipment. There's a limitation to type in on the letters. You have to be the short by your names. Click OK. Okay. Next one. 1,600 storeroom equipment. Header account. Type the name. Storeroom equipment. Storeroom equipment. A report in account, subtotal. Subtotal. Now we add the office furniture and equipment, and then store equipment, storeroom equipment, 1,600. 1,610. Detail account. Storeroom equipment at cost. Storeroom equipment cost. Detail account. Click OK. Look at here, under the link account for, not for the link account, unlink account. Unlink account. Okay. Store accumulated depreciation on storeroom equipment. 1,620. Slowly you develop account, eh? No mistakes. Accumulated depreciation on room equipment. Detail account. Detail account. Okay. Now gradually developing our chart of account ledgers. Last fixed asset items under the property, plant and equipment or the non-current asset 1,700. Look at before create the account, look at the existing number is there. No issues. 1,700. Account name ground equipment. Ground equipment. This is the header account, not detail account. Clear, you decide whether it's a detail account or header account. Then calculating a subtotal. Calculating on subtotal, ground equipment. Click OK. Now under the ground equipment at cost, new account. 1710. At cost. Asset value. Asset value. Okay. The last asset line item, accumulated depreciation on ground equipment. 1,720. Accumulated depreciation on ground equipment. All right, click OK. Complete on first the non-current assets by all. Especially you check on these are the header account. Check on you label on like a header account. Office equipment, showroom equipment header account, and ground rent header account. Others are detail account. Any issues on online student? I'm audible you in my online student.
Yes,
Please
sir.
come. Is it okay?
Yeah.
Okay, thank you. How about others?
Yes, sir.
Right, thank you. Complete on your non-current assets. Shall I move to the next section or wait for the moment? Wait 1 minute. Okay, complete. Student, in each day by day, you have to update your databases. We will check after the week number 6 and 7 and allocating a mark for your continuous assessment. Okay. How about others? Good morning, student. This next one. And data under the data folder. After saving this file in the data folder, the backup file. Otherwise, issues during this total period. Right. Now I'm moving to the next section. Right. Creating on the our current assets. Look at here. Now 2000 accounts. Very carefully you handle it. This is the link account. This is the link account by 2000 trade debtors. But unfortunately, when I given my tutorial also, non-current asset, sorry, current asset 2000 under the 2000. Before that, you look at your trade debtors account. What is my trade debtor account? 2205. No, look at your tutorial 2205. Now I click on this account, click on edit, change my number 2205. Not header account, my detail link account. Click OK. Now, in earlier I had a number on 2000. Now I purposefully changed my number by 2205 because of that. To removing the existing number because of given the permissions to enter my current assets. Now click on here. Understood by the online student? Okay, click on new function. Now given 2000 on new account. First of all, you have to be edited by the existing number. Don't give the two similar number, existing numbers with the new numbers. Click on here my header account. Given on the account name current asset. Current assets. Click on here subtotal section. Subtotal section. Okay. Now created by 1,200 current asset. Now under the current assets, my data account, trade data account are there. Next, under 2,000, 2,100 inventory account. Inventory account. The inventory accounts also my header account. Header account. And getting on my subtotal. My main inventory account. Okay. Look at here. In the third layer, 1,200. Right, student. Now, all dear student, look at the screen. Look at the screen, very important point. Now, when I look at the layers, the triple 4 zeros in the layer 1, in a 1,000 in the layer 2, and other accounts are in the layer 3. Look at it. If you want, look at it, layer 3s. Now, this account are in the layer 1. Got this my point? There should be a layers, layer 1, 2, 3 like this. Then if I want to remove this, actually up and down this detail account in the layer, select on this layer account, the particular account, click on here down. Got this point? Here up, here down. And remove to the next section. Do it there. Further. In the third layer. Not third layer, now fourth layer. First, second, third, and fourth. Up and down function. Sorry? Purpose of that lining of the main heading account and detail account and the sub account. Depending on the if you create on the your chart of account or your ledger or trial balance, then nicely it's having the layers. Right. Next one under the current assets, under the inventory, my general inventory 1,205. 2,000, no, sorry, 2,105. My general inventory. My general inventory. Detail account. Click OK. Now look at here. Now generating by your fourth layer. Next one, my demo inventory. Because of this cricket club, no, the demo items are there. My demo inventory 2,110. 2110. Demo inventory. Demo inventory. Click OK. Now in the fourth layer. Next. 2,200 account receivable ledger. My header account. Sorry. Level 4 not be section header. Actually level 1. $2,200 accounts are there. Given on the in my system, given on the message, account at level 4 may not be a section header. What is the reason on that here? Click OK. Now, under the account receivable, now correctly located by my data account by 1,000, sorry, 2,205. If you take on this account, up. Now, okay. Then the third layer. Next one.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes.
I am also receiving the same that account layer for. Can you just tell me how
Okay.
you did like?
First, you select on inventory account, click on up. Click on up, then go to the new account. The automatically system identified by this is the header account. Header account. Because in the fourth layer, the system will not allow into the setting on the header account. In the layer 1 or layer 2. Layer 1 and layer 2. Now look at here. This is the layer 1, layer 2, layer 2. Like this. These are the layer 3. Next. Let's provision for doubtful dates. Detail account. Detail account. 2,210. Provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debts. Detail account. Unlinked account. Okay. Next. 2,350. Now we have, look at here, withholding tax credit are there. Withholding tax credit, hidden account are there. Now, given in the tutorial 2,350. Now I change, edit 2,350. Withholding tax credit, header account. Okay. Header account. Click on up or down in the line of major accounts. Next, under that voluntary withholding tax credit, I think voluntary tax withholding tax accounts are there. This account. Carefully look at this account. Voluntary withholding tax detail account. Create the number 2,360. Detail account. Got this point? Now, automatically this particular sum accounts have to shift to the relevant section. Relevant sections under the withholding tax credit. Click on down. Look at here. Under the main category. Next one. ABN withholding, I don't know about the name, but ABN withholding tax account also there. The number called 2370. Edit 70. Edit on this account. To this tutorial, I try to teach you how to create new account, how to edit it on the existing account. Okay. This is also the down. Select here up, here down. Next one. $2,400 prepaid account. Look at your prepaid accounts are there? No, no prepaid accounts. Click on new. 2,400 prepaid. Detail account. Okay. Now prepaid account, click on up, down. In the main line. Not header account. Next. VAT receivable. 2,500. That receivable. I have a small typing mistake. Then again go to the edit. Not receivable. First line item, second line item. $2,600 deposit paid. Paid. Deposit paid. Okay. Now, under the asset, last section, cash on hand. Cash on hand. 2,700. New 700 data account. Cash on hand. Subtotal. Subtotal. Okay. Now cash on hand accounts are there. Now, student, very important point. Now we have our general check account. Look at my, let's say, like assume that under the cash on hand, my first bank account given on the Sampath bank account, not investment account, my current account. Or else you are maintained by the People's Bank, Commercial, HSBC, or Standard, or whatever the bank, like your main bank account. Because of that, here main bank accounts having integration. All other sub accounts also you can do it. But in link account, now I change to my 2,710. Select on this bank account. Click on edit. Change the number 2,710. Change the name by Sampath Bank current account. Sampath Bank. Current account. At this point, my main account changed according to the given name and the label ID given by the system. Integrated. Now, my first accounts are there under the cash on hand. Don't change here undeposited fund and the electronic fund account name. Now I'll pass these two cash on hand account. These are the cash on hand. Cash and cash equivalent, no? This first account, look at here, 2,780 undeposited fund. Edit 180 undeposited fund account. Temporary account, no? Click OK. Done. Undeposited fund account transferred from non-current assets to current assets. Got this point? Still these accounts having the non-current assets, no? Now I transfer from the non-current assets to current assets. In the section. Here another account. Electronic clearing charges account. Look at here. Electronic clearing charges are given here 2,790. Change, edit. Look at here, these are the detailed check, not normal account. In the normal accounts are the detailed accounts. This is the detailed check account, postable. Okay. Next. Student. In the beginning, I have transferred this account to 1,900. Have you remember that? This payroll check account, I transferred to the 1190 account. Now, look at this cash on hand category, Sampath Bank payroll. Actually, this integrated the payment of salary, payroll check account. Now I transfer this account to Sampath Bank payroll account 2720. What is my point? Retransfer to this account by 2720 Sampath payroll. Change the name. Sampath payroll account. Sampath payroll check account. Look at here. Detailed check account postable. Okay. Yes. Detail. Link account. Link account. Always these are the link account. Because the cash book and the bank books are integrated with the any other account. Right. Now 2,715 Sampath Bank investment account. New 2,715. Name Sampath Bank investment. Sampath Bank investment. This is not a check account. This is an investment account. Huh? Our the other assets, no? Under the investment assets. Click OK. Payroll, okay. Next one, a cash drawer. Our petty cash drawer. Actually, not petty cash. Our main cash drawer. We'll put on 2,730. Cash drawer. In the last one, company petty cash account. New 2,740. Petty cash. Petty cash. Okay. Two, 7. Yes. Later. Cash draw account, petty cash accounts, they have to be created, and investment account. Others are shifted from the non-current asset section to the current asset section. Now look at here, everything are completed. No mistakes. Right, complete on this section. Right, okay, welcome. Any other question? If you want to delete the account, let's say like a link account, you can't delete it, right? Link account, you can't delete it. If you want to delete this account, like we'll see. Like a cash draw, don't be deleted. Then click on edit. Go to the here list option, edit option, delete account. The unwanted account you can delete it, not down the path. Select this account and open this account. Go to the edit option. Look at your clear option, cut option, copy option, and delete account option. The online student, you noted down that path. For one of the physical, the class student asked to how to delete on account. How to delete on account? First you select the unwanted or mistake account. Click on edit function. Under the edit, select the relevant or particular account. Click on edit and delete account. But after incorporating by the balances, you can't delete it. Boys, you got this point. After incorporating by the balances, system will not allow him to delete this account after the opening balances. Right. Complete on that section. Right, student. What is the importance of the link account? Look at here. Okay. Right. Click on close function. Okay. Click on close. Then you are coming to the main window. In the main window, click on setup. Here link accounts. These are the link accounts. Click on under the link accounts, bank account. Historical balances are there. Undeposited funds. Look at here. Electronic clearing charges are there. Undeposited funds are there. We can't delete this account. We can't amend this account. Now, after correcting by this number, look at it. The automatically these numbers are taken to the my link account. Even you. In earlier we had a different number. Now look at the tutorial. If I rename by this undeposited fund account 2080, automatically these accounts are taken to here. And even in the electronic, what do you call that? Electronic fund account, deposit fund account. Right, take on the small break. And after the break, we will start on the next section. Right, in the online student, within the 10 minutes, you have to complete it on the next section. And we will move into the liability section. Any question regarding the this asset development, these ledger accounts in the online student?
No, sir.
Sir, can you explain Sampath Bank account? How to create Sampath Bank account, sir?
Okay. In a Sampath Bank account, Sampath Bank current account, this is our main bank account. Therefore, in the list of accounts given on 2710. Okay?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
In tutorial. In earlier, we had the integrated account, general bank account. Then this general bank account, we have to be shifted from asset section to current asset section, from the non-current assets to current asset section. I think this is located in somewhere around here. And renamed by this account given by 2710 and change the name by in the general check accounts to the Sampath Bank current account. Both.
Okay.
Any other question?
No, sir. And sir, cash drawer and petty cash are under detail account, no?
Yes, under detail account because these are not integrated with the ledger accounts.
Okay, sir.
Others take up this opportunity by the online student because of that still the physical students are go to the washroom and taking a small break. During that period, you have to be taken on this opportunity to get a clarification from me. Yes?
Excuse me, sir. In the real world scenario, does the every user has the authority to create this account, or is it limited?
No,
Access
actually, in the live system, you are not giving the permissions to all users to create a new account. In a level have to be designed by the developer and the company. If you are working on the accounts department with the account assistant or the about that, getting a permissions to create a new account. But
Okay.
wait. Physical students, don't show. The online student. Right. In the what do you call that username and access level are there no? If you are given under your username and the password, whatever the duties and your responsibilities decided by the system. If you are
Like
working
segregation of duties, like.
yes, 100% correct. In the segregation of duties. In the segregation of duties, the directors and the management and the system developers decide on that. What are the duties and responsibilities you have? Like if you are working on the sales department, you cannot access to the accounts, financial accounting department detail.
Okay.
If you are working on the debtors, you cannot collect the money from debtors. Likewise, we will exactly use the word segregation of duties are there.
Okay.
From the system, we will decide on that like access limit. Given on a separate access limit to the separate employee in the department and division.
Okay.
If I sit on the in front of my computer and the system by morning, given my username and password, only the system active by the one particular range area. Others you can't deal.
Yeah. Okay. Clear. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Even to the physical student. Better to you rename by this your name in the Teams, then easily I can understand your name. Get the point. How about others? Okay. What's your name?
I'm Gayan, sir.
Jayant, you are from?
Gayan.
Sorry?
Gayan. Gayan.
Gayan, you are from?
Scotland.
Scotland, no?
Yes.
Next one. Actually, all the name, your numbers are same or not same? Yes, same. How about others? Yeah, you are joining from a different country. In the Scotland, what is the time now?
It's 10:30, sir.
Ah, okay. How about others? Okay, thank you very much. Right, now we'll start the next section. Any question? Good? Okay, give me 1 minute. Right. Now, shall we start? Because only we have 50 minutes now. Right. Now completed on the first section by the system developing on asset account. Now you click on a liability account. In the liability section. In the liability section, there are some accounts created by the system. In the first one, 2240 liability, this is the header account. Under that, we will create two 1000, not such account here. Click on here, new 1000. Under the liability section, look at here, liability section. Given on the ID number 1000. Header account getting on a subtotal. Click OK. Right. I forgot to give the name, no? Again, edited on this account by editing a name by non-current liabilities, long term. Non-current liabilities, header account. Under the liability. No, under the non-current liability, 2100. 2100. Sorry. 1100. Sorry. 1100. New. Not header account, detail account. 1100. Sorry. W check the account number 1100. Bank loans. Bank loan account. Bank loan account. Okay, you continue. If you are trying to restore and opening by the company, if the no internet connection, again goes the main window. Yes, yeah. The current liability is not a link account. This is a header account. Before when you're creating a account, you should check on this is the header account and the link account. If you select like a link account like a header account, the system will not permit to you setting on the header account. Like this. This account you can do a header account. This account also you can do the header account. Because this is a detail account, detail link account. Next. 1,200 under the liability. You ensure that you are in the correct table section in the liability section. New 1,200. Account name, other non-current liabilities. Other non-current liabilities. Here, look at that. Even in me, the internet issue. Not click and not typing. Look at here. Not connected. We'll see again. Log out by the system. Okay. You are on the name. After student, after you having issues like drop your internet or whatever the reason, carefully open the system. Otherwise, if you are going for the opening form, the configuration side, sometime maybe deleted your file. Right. Then other non-current liabilities. Detail account. Okay. Under the 2000 section, don't confuse the same number in the asset. 2000 in the current liabilities. Here 2000 number in the my creditors. That's the reason. Therefore, first I rename this account by looking at my next page. Look at the trade creditors 2200. 2200. Click on this account. Edit 2200. Trade creditors. Detail account. Done. Got this point? Next. Now I open the new account by given a 2000. New header account. Liability 2000. Name called current liabilities. Current liabilities. Understand the difference between the header account and detail account. The link accounts you can set like a header account. Then click subtotal section because the header account. Okay. Create the my current liabilities 2000, under that 2200 trade creditors. Before that, MasterCard 2130. MasterCard. MasterCard detail account. Okay. Now trade creditors are okay, 2200. Click on here, down. Line up. Next one. Accounts payable accruals account. New 2210. Again, internet issue. Two 2210. Accounts payable accruals. Accounts payable accruals. Detail account. Am I passed? Huh? Ah. Okay. Accounts payable accruals. Right. Do you have a heading called VAT liability account or GST one? GST, no? Rename this account like VAT liabilities. Change the number, okay, no, same number. 2300. Change, no? Here 3000, no? Change the number 2300. Edit 300. Change the name by VAT liabilities. Header account. VAT liabilities. The next one, VAT collect, GST collect and the GST paid, no? Rename this account. 2310 VAT collect. VAT collect account and VAT paid account. VAT collect account 2,310. VAT paid account 2,330. Detail account. Okay. Next one, voluntarily withholding payable account. Rename 2,370. No. Edit. Is it correct? No. Correct. No. Number correct. ID number correct. ABN withholding payable 2,380. No. Correct. No. Complete. Then next one.
Sorry, that number should be edited. NBN withholding
number?
payable.
Which
N
number?
ABN withholding payable.
ABN
should be-
withholding.
It should be 2380.
Yes, correct. Here 3, no? Change to. Correct.
No, still not, sir.
ABN withholding payable 2,380. Here,
Two.
3,000. Yes, okay, I got
Yes.
it then. 2,380. Now, next one, 2,400 payroll liabilities.
That voluntary withholding also should be changed, sir.
Voluntary withholding 2,370, no?
Yeah.
Where are the voluntary? Here. Edit. 2,370. Thank you very much. Now, okay. Thank you very much. Next. $2,400 by a payroll liabilities. Head account 1,400. Getting on a subtotal. Getting on a subtotal. Click OK. Next. Under that, payroll accruals payable. Look at here, payroll accrual payables accounts are there? No. Is it there? Give me 1 minute. Oh, only change the number. Ah, yes, payroll liability accounts are there. Right. Now payroll liability accounts are there. This is an integrated account. Now this integrated account renamed to by 2410. This account edit 2410. Payroll. Sorry. Oh my goodness. This is the header account now. Under that payables, no payroll, heading accounts are there, no? Okay. We'll see. Wait. No, this is a detail account. Look at it. Detail account. Pay, the header account, payroll liabilities. Under that payroll, accruals payable account. Payroll, accruals payable. This is a detail account. You can rename payroll, accruals, liability or payable. You can rename on that way. Payroll, accruals, payable. This is a detail account. Payee payable. Payee withholding payable. These accounts are there? No. Add 2420. Payee payable. Detail account. Next. EPF payable. $2,430. Next. Customer deposit 2,600. Customer deposits. Next. Last one, other current liabilities 2,900. Other current liabilities. Right. Complete on the liability section. Look at it. There are some additional account you can delete because these are not integrated. Let's say like one account, luxury car tax payable, edit, edit, delete. Account link, tax may not be this is also a link account. Can't delete it. These are the integrated the developed account by the system. Right. In the last section in the balance sheet, equity account. In the equity account, there are basically three types of integrated account: link account, retained earning, mean the previous year accumulated profit. Second one, current year earnings mean the for the year profit, net profit or the brought forward profit. Historical mean when you are insert the system beginning balances, you insert your beginning trial balance, taken on the difference between the asset and the liabilities, taken like a historical balance amount. Shareholders, share capital accounts are there. Under the equity, 3,000, 1,000 new account. Under the equity section, 1,000. The account, shareholders equity. Header account. And getting on the subtotal. Subtotal. Okay. Look at that. Now all the items are come under this category. Then owners drawings 1,200. Drawing. Detail account. Next one. Oh. No. 1,100 share capital accounts are there. Okay. I had a mistake. Again, new 1,100. Add on this account, share capital. Detail account. Retain earning. This account rename by 8,000 or something. Edit. Yeah, 8,000. Already in the 8,000. Click on here, down. Next one, current year earning 9,000. Is it okay? Down. Last one, 9,999 historical account. Click on down. week better to use the tutorial. See on the PDF document or your computer soft copy, it is difficult to find for the detail. Yes, any issues? Internet issues. Number of students having issues in the internet. After completed your accounts, student, please check on the section. Let's say like asset section now is completed by the equity. Check on the liability section and check on the asset section. What did I say in the sign sheet? Where the sign sheet? Pass to others. Right. Now turn to the page number 1. Completed on our financial position statement ledger accounts and go to the income statement, comprehensive income statement, ledger accounts. Click on income. Right. Already I create one account in mind. Look at here. Create under the income 4,000, 1,000 account in a cricket income. Cricket income. Header account. And getting on a total. Okay. Page number 1. Right. Now click on the OK. Create on the cricket income header account. Then under the 4,000, 1,100 equipment sale income. Equipment sale income. This is the VAT account. You're liable to pay on a VAT. Given on the number 1,100, name by equipment sales income VAT account. Click on here, VAT. Look at in your case, it is activated on the VAT. Yes or no? Give me 1 minute. No, not activated. Okay, I'll teach you. Right. Student, listen very carefully. Cancel this one and click OK. Close. Right. Okay. First you click on list. List. Note down the path, editing on or adding on a new VAT or sales taxes. List tax code. One of this account you can rename. I rename by this account. In my type, goods and service tax, because both items we sell to the our cricket members, goods and service provided to their coaching, grounds and everything, and we sell the item, bats, balls, hedges or something. And rename this one, click on here, edit, select this item, edit. Already you have a GST, no? Rename by VAT. Given the name, value added tax, tax type, goods and service. Given on here, rate by 15%. Rate on 15%. Okay? Use. Edit. Go to select this account and go to the edit function. Edit function. Already you have the rest of the okay. Oh, yes. You have the equal it up. That's the reason. Okay, got this my point? You rename this tax code by a VAT and description by value added tax and tax type goods and service tax and the rate 15%. Right. Now integrated with the VAT collect account and VAT payable account. So the VAT paid account. Now okay, no? Right. VAT collect account and VAT paid account. Then click OK. Now edited by the existing value added tax by 15%. Right. Let's say student, my dear, 13% to 20%. Go to the list option, tax code option, select the 15% tax option, edit, buy here like 20%. Small modification have to be done here, the existing tax system. Right, okay. Close. Next, account list, income. Now go to the equipment sale income, edit. Now integrated with VAT payable or value added tax 15%. Click on use tax code. Use tax code. Okay. Right. Next. Cricket lesson income VAT. Go to the new function. New function. Given on the number 1200. Cricket lesson income. VAT liable income. VAT liable income. Detail account integrated with the value added tax, use this tax code. Okay. Next one. Ground fees income. Go to the new function. Given on the number 1300. Ground fees income. This is also the VAT liable income. Integrated with the VAT 15% or whatever the percentage collected by the government. Use this. Next. 1400 repair fees income. This is also the VAT liable account income. VAT liable income. Last one, equipment hire income. Because of this, the cricket club. Go to the new 1500 equipment hire income. Integrated with the 15% VAT payable. Because of this, our output we are able to pay on the output tax. Complete on this major income account, revenue account. Complete. Don't practice to copy and paste this either. Because of this examination, we will provide the hard copy. You can't copy and paste in the hard copy. at this point, make a photocopy and practice on typing the account statement, ID and everything. Otherwise, you will be covering the examination point. Because our people are very expert to copy and paste. And even practice, you can do. But examination is big. Complete in the income. Whatever the income you have raised in this company, you have to be add on this income. You keep your memory. Asset is the number 1, liability 2, equity 3, income 4. And cost of sale in the category number 5. Right, shall we create a few accounts on cost of sale? Right. Click on cost of sales. The main account given in the cost of sales by the 5 4 zeros, header account. Under that, new header account, account classification or the type, cost of sale, number 1000, cost of goods. Click on subtotal section. Click OK. 5 1000. New detail account 1100. Cost of goods sold cost of goods sold. Here given non-tax item. Look at here. Not reportable. Not reportable. Tax cost. NT. Not reportable. Click OK. New item 1200. Stock loss account. Non-tax item. Non-tax item. Click OK. Stock loss account. Next one, new account, a detail account, cost of sale, 1300. Account name call, charges. Inwards. Goods inwards, carriage charges, freight charges. not here at taxable item given here. Click on here. We'll see later. Click on taking on a VAT on freight charges. Use this code. Red color t-shirt. Ball. You got this point? In some organization, charging the freight, VAT on freight. In some other organization, will not charge the VAT on freight. This is depend on your company practice. Look at that. One item I set on like a VAT liable item. Click OK. Right, complete on this section. Right. Next one, cost of service. New. Okay. Under the 5,000 range, given on the number by 2,000. Head account, cost of service. Head account. Non-postable account. Okay. I didn't give it the name, no. Edit. Name. Cost of service. Cost of service. Next one. Under that, 2,100. Cost of material. Cost of material. Cost of materials. Non-tax item. Not reportable. Detail account. I'll expect from you to bring the tutorial in the next week, in the photo office. Right. Shall we go for the expense section? Only we create a head account. Wait. Under the expense, I already created. No. 6,100 financial expenses. Add head account. getting on a total. Okay. Any issues regarding the today discussion? Student, even in the physical and the online, already saved. Already saved. Can take a backup, but no need to take a backup in the class. Actually, we use the same computer for the repeating on same activity. If you want to take on a backup, I will show you. Go to the file option, take on a backup, and save the backup in the somewhere in your pen drive, in your DVD or something. Right. Close. Look at here. Here, file option. The backup option here. We'll study it in the later after taking on the complete on the few session. We'll take a backup file. Any question? All right, thank you. Right, then click on File, Exit. File, Exit. With this, do you wish to backup at this time? No. Because already this detail are saved in our system. If you want to click on backup, you can take on a backup file. Then click on here, log off. Do you want to quiet session now? Yes. Right. Right. Shall we meet in the next week? Actually, next week have a already. You discuss with Jennifer. We'll see. Okay. Thank you very much for joining these classes by all online students. Thank you very much. Okay. Shall we wind it up and session?